I want to be. I can't see him doing this. Great, I'm talking. I don't want to talk. That much.
The door's closed. Huh?
Yeah, it's not focusing.
I noticed that. I don't know why. It should. Got all the drums. Fireworks.
Oh my God! Look at those over there.
Where's my mom say? Oh.
Whoa.
The ones at the
Look at
church.
all of them, Graham. They're all over the place.
The ones at the church are pretty much like that for like for a whole hour.
Pretty cool.
There's a cop. There they are.
Look at them all over the place.
I know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are
I mean,
about
they're
5 or
all
6
over.
shows going on.
That's Ocean Beach's show there.
Usually Ocean Beach does it after
I know.
these guys
I don't know
do.
why they're all doing it at the same time.
I know. That's usually they take turns. Who is this doing this one?
This would be the Yacht Club.
Okay. Yacht Club, right?
Yacht Club, yeah. And that palm tree is right in the way, by the way. Would you know that, Brian?
Yeah, I know.
That damn palm tree.
Who would have guessed?
Ooh, that's pretty. It's not focusing now.
I know.
Check it out. Here's what it's doing. See?
Yeah.
It's not focusing. For the last second.
That's weird.
That sucks. If I back off. See, that's
Better. Wow, look at this one. That was cool.
I love that. It's just like a war going on. Oh yeah, for a second.
I wish they would do like lasers and stuff too.
Yeah, it's like lasers would be fun.
Yeah. Like a
Hey Brian,
What?
what do you want to mention that palm tree is in the way?
Yeah, the palm tree is in the way.
It is in the way, isn't it?
Yes. Who'd have guessed?
Way.
I don't remember seeing that there last year. It must have just grown there this year.
No, smart ass. Ooh, that's pretty.
I would do video because you can't get a good picture of these. Oh, well, then you just push OK after you take a picture, and it'll go back to the camera mode.
Oh, you gotta put this on manual focus because it keeps trying to reset itself. It's got auto and manual, right?
You should, yeah.
Wish I could read that. Like that noise. That darn palm tree. Can you read that, Brian? What's it saying?
That says open eject.
Right.
That would be the flat card.
Yeah, that's not what I want to be doing. That crime engine figured this stupid thing out. It'll be over. Whoa!
Wow.
Hello!
Wow. Now that was amazing.
Screw this. I'll stop.
What?
I'll stop.
8. Third of the way into this is there.
Yeah, that's probably like alcohol.
Yeah. So far I've counted 9 shows.
At the same time. Love that noise.
Yeah, over here they're doing the same exact one on each side.
Yeah, it's a bit choreographed.
Wow.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Dud. Nope, maybe not.
Wow. Is that a smiley face?
No.
Oh. Look at that red one.
Yeah. That's weird, huh?
Yeah.
Focus in on that.
Wow. Wow.
Love that. Those are cool. Look at those, look at those. Don't ask me. Hey Diana?
Yeah?
Well, you know that pine, is that palm tree right there?
It's in the way.
It's in the way.
Can we go chop it down?
I went and named this video, the palm tree was in the way.
Yeah. Which palm tree is that? It's in the way.
It's one right in the way.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Got the grandpa.
And woo!
Still pictures of the guy came for the front.
That's what I like.
Might wait until Ocean Beach is done though. Oh, I mean that's not. It's like
Fritos, yeah. Yes? Yes. Yes, it is. The closer I get, Brian, the worse those look. Yeah, farther away they're fairly, focused. I'm sure I'm going to love to hear myself play this back. wonder what that B means.
Oh, I don't know.
I can't change it though.
Try and test it out.
Yeah, I can't see anything. I think there's thunder over
I know, it sounds like it.
This thing's irritating as hell. I cannot get it to work right. What up? We took the cap off.
No, I don't think they are.
What?
They're not sea oil.
Well, yeah, that's sea oil.
It is?
Yes, has to be. Pretty sure, yeah, because that's right. It's in that area. Do you guys have a palm tree in the way over there?
We have a tree now, but unfortunately it's not possible.
Mulberry?
Maybe, yeah. The mulberry tree is in the way.
You ever go to the service station?
Well, these aren't that great, are they?
Well, not too thrilling yet.
Who was it?
No, actually, go look at the other people.
Got him?
Okay.
Yeah. Better than what I'm doing. Oh, yeah.
It saves a gift.
Oh, I see.
Pretty cool.
Any way to get closer to make that big?
Probably on the computer. Oh, these are high quality, so these are really big.
I see.
Are you sure these are sea oils?
Oh, I wouldn't vouch for it, but I don't know who else could throw one anywhere near that big.
It's really not that big yet. I guess they weren't high quality.
What?
They get downsized or lower quality
Automatically?
because of gifts.
That's a big one. Big one. You can tell by the thump that they make.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's a zero on the refill.
You're right.
Didn't she go down with Jenny? These don't look. SeaWorld's usually closer, I think. I can't be sure. Where'd you go?
I was trying to answer.
This is kind of boring.
They're like the everyday SeaWorld one, kind of.
Yeah, it's going on a long time, but it's just there's nothing spectacular.
What? I don't think they are. Was that it? Was that it?
Well, I hate to say so, but that might have been it.
I don't think that was SeaWorld at all. That's a bit. Some of the pictures turned out okay, I guess.
Yeah, let's see.
Some of them. Yeah.
What, you get a shot at?
See, that's not. Maybe it was.
Get that manual out and figure out what all these damn settings are.
Yeah.
'Cause I can take some out, and then you take some back in. Take the B out. Take that out. That was it. That'd just be better nighttime photos than this.
Yeah.
You can see like what you got. That was a cool shot.
Yeah, it'd be like, see, that's why I need a tripod. The shutter speed always really slow on those.
Fireworks ever? The ending?
Well, they're still kind of sputtering on.
There were.
No, I think what happened is they couldn't get the barge to go off. I think
yeah?
they had more than one barge, and the second barge, like...
Well, just go light the whole damn thing on fire then. Who cares?
Yeah. I don't even think there was an ending. It's just like...
No, it's
throw
just
some
like,
gasoline in there
and
and
then
let
they
it
like
go.
threw up 3 random ones. And
Yeah. Yeah, it just abruptly ended.
Well, see, it's still going on because that's not personal stuff, right?
Those are, yeah.
These are all personal.
You think?
Yeah.
They make a lot of noise.
But look at the SeaWorld tower. It still is off, which could mean that they're trying to get it to go off.
But it was not.
I know, but see the SeaWorld tower? It
Yeah.
still is off, so I think like the barge... See all the cars are stuck on the bridge?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's a mess over there.
Except for I like sitting in a chair. Oh yeah.
Warmer.
This is warmer and nicer. I was so cold.
Good job.
Oh, there we go. Now.
There
We're ruin your barge. Brian,
Yeah.
there's a hot girl in one of these buildings.
What?
There's a really hot girl in one of these buildings.
Jen! Where's she going? Jenny!
She's ignoring me. Yeah, that's happening.
That was I thought.
No, that's not. That's not Jenny.
No, she's not.
I was just like that.
Yeah, she did. Look how bad.
I saw Ashley Greenberg got changed. I saw Ashley Greenberg.
Where?
They're here came.
They're in there right now?
That's where
Spinners on the escalator.
I saw
on
them
the
walk here.
elevator.
They're both in white shirts. Okay. Well, at least that was the grand finale.
Well, it's not over.
more.
Here we
Not
go.
over yet.
See, they're having problems.
I thought I zoned out. better than old. You're right, Chris. These girls have lots of problems.
I wonder if they're waiting for the house
Maybe they just want to keep people.
It could be from the wind.
That's it.
If I walk, I'll just walk there.
All right.
I am